Just suppose that you are in love with me and you have possibly known me for like the last 2 years. We've been dating and marriage, it looks like we're going to talk marriage. And I come to your house and I say, hello, darling, I want to take you somewhere. Will you follow me?
Yes.
Are you sure? Yes. But where I want to take you to, I want to close your eyes to take you there. Will you follow me?
Yes.
In fact, as a single girl, when I close your eye as a lover, what happens? Does fear increase in your heart?
No.
What happens?
Excitement.
Oh, you become excited. That means the unknown can be exciting. That means knowing the person who is covering your eyes is revealed in the feeling that goes through your heart when you don't know what lies ahead of you. So if you know the one who has said, I will never leave you and I will never forsake you, every time there's an uncertain situation in front of you, you get excited. He's about to reveal himself in some other way now. Because if a lover closes your eyes, what you are about to see will dazzle you. So you see, faith is defined in the emotions that run through your heart in uncertain situations. Because the man who lives by faith enters an uncertain situation thinking, where is God bringing help from? Not, will God help me? Now that means that how much you trust God can be revealed in how you respond to unknown circumstances.